master useEffect, the hook that controls side effects. Any operations that affect something outside the component's rendering process. For example, API calls, set timeout, set intervals, adding event listeners, updating document title, accessing local storage. What is not a side effect? Calculations, GSX returns. React functional components only handle rendering, but real apps need data fetching, subscriptions, timers, sync with external system. Effect syntax is divided into two parts, callback function and dependency array. Here is an example of use effect. Now let's understand how it behaves. Effect runs on every render and initial render. Runs only on first render. Runs on first render and whenever dependency changes. Some effect needs cleanup. For example, timers. Before component on mounts, before next execution if dependency changes. Three use effect patterns: mount, update, unmount. Mount empty dependency array, run only once. It is used for API calls, subscriptions, timers. Updated with dependency array, which runs every time dependency array changes. Unmount phase used in cleanup functions. It helps to prevent zombie timers, memory leaks, duplicate subscriptions.